In today's cooking, I'll be sharing with you an in-depth method of how to cook your delicious Oha soup that everyone will love. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this recipe, I'll be using our fresh chicken. I added about 2 teaspoons of salt, some bouillon. Next, I added our chopped Scotch Burnet pepper. If today is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, please do not go away. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified whenever I post new videos. And to all our returning viewers, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I gave it a quick stir and added our stockfish and our nicely deboned dry fish. Please make sure to debone your dry fish to get rid of the bones if you have children that will be eating this recipe or this meal with you. I gave it a stir for everything to come together before covering the pot. I'll be cooking for about 20 minutes on a low heat without adding any water. 20 minutes later, I came back and I added enough water that will be enough for us to cook our soup. I'll allow this water to boil for about 5 minutes so that everything that we've added into the pot will penetrate deeply into our protein. Now I'll be adding our red oil. For my thickener, I used our cocoyam. It's nicely cooked until it became tender. I used my food processor to pound. Please feel free to use your pestle and mortar if you have pestle and mortar. Your Oha soup will be so incomplete if you do not add your fermented locust beans called the ogili. The fermented locust beans is what will take your Oha soup to the next level. If you do not add the fermented locust beans, it will not give you that Oha soup vibe that you are looking for. I added the remaining chopped bonnet pepper, added crayfish, added some blended prawn, some bouillon, and next I'll be adding a little more salt. Make sure to taste to know the level or amount of salt you needed. What I just added now is our pounded or grinded Uziza seed. If you have the leaf, it's okay, but I have this powdered one, so I added it for an extra flavor. Stir and cover the pot for everything to marry themselves. 10 minutes later, this is what we have. Guys, the aroma coming out from my kitchen right now, it's so nose blinding. And this is the leaf of the Uziza. Remember we added the seed, the blended seed, right? Now I'll be adding my Oha leaf. If you're still watching to this point, thank you so much. Please do well to help me subscribe to get notified whenever I post new videos. I'll give it a quick stir. Remember, the goal is not to overcook our Oha. We want to have it as fresh, as green as possible, because it's also a vegetable. There won't be need to overcook it. Now my pot is cooking on a very low heat, very low heat. I do not want my vegetables to overcook. I'll allow this to cook for about 2 or 3 minutes before turning down the heat completely. Feel free to enjoy the soup with your pounded yam, your cassava, your abu, your gari, your oatmeal, whatever swallow at all. Please do not forget to subscribe to get notified. Thank you so much.